Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and signing into your Microsoft account. This unlocks your license and installer access. Once done, open the App Store or Microsoft website and search for Microsoft Office. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, then click Get or Download to start the installer. The Mac verifies your Apple ID and permissions. If prompted, allow the installation in System Settings. This step ensures the download matches your Mac OS build and avoids corrupted files. After the download completes, run the installer package or launch any Office app from Applications. Follow on-screen prompts to install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive. During installation, grant requested permissions so apps can access files and integrate with Mac OS features like autosave. This avoids file save errors later. Next, sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your subscription or enter your product key to activate. Doing this now links your apps to cloud storage and ensures updates download automatically. Finish by opening each Office app and customizing preferences like auto recover and default save locations to OneDrive or your Mac. Make sure you run help check for updates so you have the latest patches. This prevents performance issues. If activation or launch fails, sign out of Office, restart your Mac, then sign back in. If that fails, uninstall using the official removal steps and reinstall. That usually clears license caches or permission glitches. If problems persist, try a different Microsoft account to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.